Great Lakes Water Authority Financial Services presents an information support through the Knowledge Share series. Welcome to Budget Entry, creating the annual budget. In this module you will learn to navigate the BS&A General Ledger application to update annual budget information. This course is intended for anyone within Great Lakes Water Authority with the responsibility of creating, editing, or viewing the annual budget, needing an introduction or refresher on how updating the annual budget process works. This is not a scored module. However, you will be given credit for your participation. Upon completion of the training module you will receive a certificate of achievement. We have great expectations for you. Here is what you will accomplish as a result of this course.
When you have completed this course, you will be able to enter a new budget item, edit existing budget information, using the BS&A General Ledger application. You will be able to attach documents to support the budget request. Attaching documents such as contract agreements and invoices. You will be able to download and print a budget report in different formats, such as printing to your screen, printing a PDF file, or printing an Excel document. You will be able to drill down to view specific budget activity details, like activity descriptions, attached invoices, general ledger details.
Hi, I'm Doris, the Director of Water and Sewage Operations, here at Great Lakes Water Authority.
Hi, I'm John, a Budget Manager, here at Great Lakes Water Authority. Okay, follow along closely as we go through the process. To access the BS&A applications, first, locate the Equalizer.net application icon on the desktop.
Would you like to come along with Doris and I as we explore the ins and outs of entering budget information? As we walk through the process of entering budget information using BS&A General Ledger, we will demonstrate how applying budget filters will help you to locate budget information, the difference between creating a budget item and editing a budget item. VTML Pitch Value 120 Experimenting with different ways to view detailed activity. VTML Pitch Value 120 will also show you how to use the Printing a Report function to create different types of report formats.
Creating a budget.
Next, double-click the Equalizer.net icon to open it.
The list of BS&A applications displays. Now, double-click to select GeneralLedger.net. The BS&A application is a part of the single sign-on process and does not require login. As a result, the General Ledger login screen does not usually display. Though, there may be times when it will be necessary to sign on. When the GeneralLedger.net login screen does display, you will be required to log in. To do so, you will enter the same username and password that you use when you log onto your computer. When you select Create or Edit Budget from the menu, you are prompted to identify which funds, department, account, and/or project you would like to view. The default is to show all. You should note, the information displayed on your screen is unique to you. You will only be able to view information that is relevant to your department. The available information to view is based upon the level of authorization assigned to you. To enter your department's annual budget, you will need to create a new budget or edit an existing one. Okay, so let's review how to create, edit, or view a specific department budget using the General Ledger application.
Okay, follow these steps. From the General Ledger screen main menu, select Tasks.
The drop-down menu displays. Here, select Create or Edit Budget. The Load Budget Filters screen displays. At this screen you will make a selection of which funds, department, account, and/or project number you want to edit the budget information or create a new budget line item for. Keep in mind that while the default is to show all, it is best to narrow down your search results by using the budget filters. When there is a long list of department names, choosing to search by funds, department, account, and/or project allows you to more easily locate the GL number you want to update the budget information for. Account type will always be Revenues and Expenditures. Here we will select the Departments button. The Select Departments screen displays. The departments associated to your assigned cost center are listed in the Departments Available field. There is no need to select a department when you are only assigned one cost center. The assigned cost center's information will automatically display. Departments, also known as cost center, is assigned to your login and BSNA authorization. When you locate the department name of your choice, click once to select it. You can click the button with the double right arrows to move the name to the department selected field, or double-click the department name to move it over. Now click the OK button. You are returned to the Load Budget Filters screen. Follow the same steps used for selecting the department to select the account you want to create the new budget item for. Keep in mind that you can select multiple department or multiple accounts as needed. For this example, we want to select the office supplies account. When the desired account name is not readily available, you will need to use the scroll bar or arrow keys to locate the account name you desire. Let's locate TH Office Supplies account in the list. The Load Budget Filters screen shows the selected department and account numbers and names. Wastewater Operations and Office Supplies. Now, click the OK button. The Yearly Budgets screen displays, listing the assigned budgets for the wastewater operations. The current financial plan covers fiscal years 2021 to 2025. Great Lakes Water Authority's fiscal year begins July 1st and ends June 30th each year. Entering and editing budget information. The Yearly Budgets screen is used to enter or update a requested budget amount. Make sure that Budget Entry, Budget Template Default appears at the top of the screen. When a different template name is displayed, contact the Financial Planning and Analysis team by sending an email to fpa@glwater.org. Budget information may be modified anytime prior to submission. However, after a budget is submitted, no further changes can be made, unless requested by a member of the Financial Planning and Analysis team, management, or the Board of Directors. Once you have pulled the correct GL string to update, double-click anywhere in the row to open the Budget Footnotes screen. The Budget Footnotes screen displays. To help you gain an understanding of how to create a new budget entry, in this example we will add the budget information for wastewater operations office supplies for 2020 through 2022. You can also click the cell once and type the letter N to open the footnote row for entry. Or double-click in the note field to begin typing. So, Doris. For this example, let's include the new laptops to be ordered for the engineers in your department.
Okay, sounds great.
The laptops are to be listed as lease equipment that will cost $10,000, the duration of the contract is 2 years. Budget footnotes are used to document reasons for a change or to provide a reason to substantiate the requested budget amount. A budget footnote is required for each budget entry and can be carried over from year to year. You may be as descriptive as possible. There is no limit to the number of characters to be entered in this field. Keep in mind the footnote prints out on the budget reports, and the budget reports are viewed by management. It is recommended that the vendor name, purchase order, and contract numbers, contract duration, and as much as detail as possible be included. Here is what you will type into the notes field. Initially I include a brief summary in the notes field and then I fill in the amounts. Watch closely and you will see how I enter the remaining details for the notes. Now watch as I enter the information. You will have a chance to try later in the training. Simple as that. Got it?
Yes. Got it.
Great. Thanks for paying attention. In the department requested field, type $5,000 for 2020 to 2021, and $5,000 for 2021 to 2022 as the requested amounts. Using the full notes page makes it much easier to write notes for a budget entry. So, follow along, as I update the initial budget note regarding the laptop lease agreement. Using the full notes page makes it much easier to write notes for the budget entry. Remember that we have not yet saved the newly entered information. Also, you can make modifications until the budget has been submitted. The goal for the notes is to include as much detail as possible. So here is the information I will update the budget footnote with. Also, you may have noticed the start year and end year fields at the beginning of the row. The default start year is the current budget year you are working on. The end year is continuous when the end year field is left blank. To designate the end year, enter an end year date. Click the close button or use the up and down arrows to move to the next GL number. Clicking the close button does not save newly entered information. To save, you must click the save button on the next screen. Clicking the close button only closes the screen. When a budget amount or budget footnote is updated, the field is shaded green and remains green to indicate that it is a new entry, until you click the save button.